Hi, I'm Brett Waggoner from AME, coming to you today from the field for another new product showcase. Today I'd like to show you our brand new large bore core removal tool from AME, part number 51236. This is a great tool. It allows you to clip to any large bore valve, like the one I have here, a Haltech H45 assembly. The clip-on style chuck clips on securely to the valve stem, allows you to remove the core. Once the core is removed, you have another large bore stem only that allows for 50% faster inflation and deflation rates. With the tool, it also keeps technicians out of the danger zone of an inflated tire wheel assembly after it's just been inflated. It allows you to reach around from the side of the tire, positively engage the core without ever having the chance that it's going to blow off like it would with maybe a pencil style tool. Reinsert the valve core, pull the clip-on chuck, and the job's been done. Thanks for joining us. We'd like to see you next time for another new product showcase. If you'd like more information, you can visit our website at www.ameintl.net or give us a call at 352-799-1111. Thanks, and we'll see you next time with another AME new product showcase.